If you're looking for a better way to communicate, I highly recommend Zenzap. My name's James Allen, but I go by Jim, and I'm president of J.A.M Construction. The story of J.A.M Construction began in around 1988. I was working for another contractor and he was retiring, so we started out as a residential masonry contractor, and we quickly grew and started doing concrete driveways, sidewalks, and then got into structural concrete. We grew rapidly, actually, and by about mid-90s, we were up to almost 50 employees. And due to tax reasons, etc., we incorporated and became J.A.M Construction, Inc. And since then, we've expanded. We do hardscape and masonry. We do concrete, residential, commercial, anywhere from typically 25 to 50 employees, and still doing it. We consider everyone that works here a part of the family. We try to treat them like family, and to me, they are family. Our company motto is "Only if it's right." Came up with that about 4 or 5 years ago, and that's really what we believe. You know, right for the customer, right for the employee, right for the community. We just really want to do things and do them the correct way. The reason we decided to switch to Zenzap, I saw an ad for it and it just looked like a better way. So I started investigating it, and the more I looked at it, the more I was convinced that it was a giant leap forward in our text communications, because it just gave us so many more opportunities than just trying to go through my phone and pull up the last person I text and try to figure out, you know, a message I sent him 6 months ago. Before Zenzap, you know, there was a lot of texting in-house with management between me and the vice presidents and bookkeeper, Debbie, the office manager. We would communicate through email a lot, and we still do. But the problem is most of the field personnel, they know how to email, but on the job they don't have access, really. I mean, it's tough to do email on your phone. You're in your truck and it's cooler, but when you're out on a job site working, it's tough. So there was a lot of handwritten documents we were still doing just a year ago. The problem with that was no history. It was hard to go back and see what was said and when and how, etc. The biggest impact Zenzap has had is just organization. We are just so much more organized that it's almost amazing the difference it's made in just 3 months.